Hi all, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you guys a drill practice that I do once a week in order to get better at reading the depth market. We are going to take a look at a drill that is used in prop firm as part of their intern education programs for their new traders. This drill is not really about winning or losing. It's all about learning to find that perfect entry, to fine tune that entry and exit, and to learn how to place trades quickly without hesitation, and to just build trust in yourself and to just get better at reading the depth market, as I said. The goal of the drill is to just place a trade with a target of 1 tick as well as a stop loss of 1 tick as well. You just have to find a good entry and enter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can see some selling. So we're going to assume that it's going to drop down. Let's see. So we're going to exit that trade because I didn't really see any selling occurring here. We can see we are approaching the 180 buy, and when we come down to that order, we're gonna see what happens next, and then we're gonna act. I can see some bits coming in. There's the move to the upside. There we go. You can see them pulling from the offers as it's moving up, which means they don't want to sell here, and maybe they want to sell higher, which in turn is bullish for that moment. We can see 26 on the bid side right here, very close to the price, which can act as a support. So when we come into the zone, we're going to assume that guy is going to protect his order. That's a quick move up. We may be late on this move. We can see some selling hitting into the bids, but the bids are trying to protect the zone. The bids are trying to buy all those sell contracts. I'm just trying to get filled. There we go. Tick up, nice. We can see this 40 on the bid side here as well. There's the move to the upside. That's a nice amount of buying. But then that quick drop down happens as well. There's a drop to the downside. Let's see if we can catch the momentum. Quick momentum trade. There we go. Nice. Not really seeing any buying or selling activity occurring here, so we are just gonna wait. And you have to be patient with this drill as well. You can't really just place trades because you're bored. You have to have a good reason to enter a trade. So nice moving against me. I should have closed the trades earlier, but it's okay. I can see some buying, I can see bids protecting. Let's see if we can catch the move again to the upside. We can see bids stacking, pulling from the offers. Can we see a move up? Fill me in. Come on. There we go. We can see here on the pull and stack, there are some bids being pulled from here, which is not that good. And we are approaching the zone from which we sold off. So we're gonna mark that zone as a sell-off, where that quick move down happened, where we also have those trapped buyers here as well. So let's see if those buyers come in as well, come in again to maybe push price up. And if they do, we're gonna catch that momentum to the upside. But we also see this 57 on the offer side as well, which can act as a resistance. So 10 on the buy side, 11 holding. Let's get on the move. 14 on the buy side, 42, that's a lot of bids, that's really good. You see, that's a lot of bids, very close to price, so we're probably gonna see a move up. Unless we see a big sell, there we go, that's a 47 sell. Can they hold this? I mean, they didn't drop on that 47 sell, so that's good. Bids protected that zone. But I can't really see any buying as well, which is not good. Can we see some buys here? Ticks up good. 1, 2 on the buy side, and to see more buying. If not, I'm gonna get out. There we go. It ticks up, nice. So the reason I didn't get out of the trade is because you saw those bids coming in. You saw those 47 and 40 on the bids right here at the current price level, and you saw those 40 sells hitting the market bid, but they didn't drop down because those bids were there, you know, protecting that zone. You can see a move up again to that sell-off zone, and we pushed it up. We pushed the down again, so we can sell from this zone. 2, 3, sell, 6, 15, pull it from the offers. We can maybe get on a long again. There we go, nice. 12 on the buy side, 15 on the buy side as well. 36 on the bids here. Still moving up, so this is just momentum trading. Going long as it's going up. 26 on the buy side, 24.50. But when it gets a bit, you know, hectic, I don't really like to enter the trade because it can tick up. You see that fast tick up. Let's see if we can get in. Nice. Another profit. 17 on the buy side, 12, 11 bids coming in, holding. 24 on the bids, good, but then it drops down. Okay, so we can see some selling occurring here, which is managing to push price down. Maybe we can get in on a short. That's a nice drop down, pulling from the bids. 57 offer right here was. But we see he didn't get transacted, so that was a spoof. Or he probably pulled some orders as well, who knows. Pulling from the bids 8, so I can't really see any buying. Let's see if we can profit one tick. There we go again, nice. 23 was here on the buy side. Maybe he can hold. $16, there's the drop down. Probably gonna come to the point of control. $13 on the sell side again, selling, but then it moves up. So some bids, you see those bids coming in to protect that zone. From the offers, we can go long here, probably. Let's see if we get filled. We get filled, nice. Pulling from the offers here. Still selling, but we can see bids protecting. But then we can see a drop, but we don't really see that much selling. Then we can see for the buy side, then it pushes up. That's nice. That's really nice. Okay, it's 2 minutes left. Let's see if we can profit some more. 6 on the buy side, 6, 3, 1. Not that much selling. We can go long here again, but not really comfortable with that. We can see 7 on the sell side, 10, but you can see the bids coming in, how they protect that zone. Then it moves up. Pulling here from the offer. Kind of drops down. 1, 1. Not that much buys. Don't really have a reason to enter now. I do have this bid repeating, so I can go long again. If we get filled, if not, that's okay. Minus right here. 13 on the buy side, 18 on the buy side again. Kinda missed the move. Nice going up. We're gonna cancel that order since it's moved up already. 17 on the sell side, 18. Can they actually push it down? 2, 4, 11 on the buy side. Let's get in. Quick one tick profit. Fill me in, come on. Pulling from the offers as well. I need to see some buying. There we go, we get fill again. 11 on the sell side. I can see some selling here, and if bids don't come in, it's gonna drop down. 17 on the sell, 8 on the sell side. That's a nice push up, but you can't really see any buying, so that was just a bad move to take longs on. Pulling from the offers here. 5, 4, 5, -8, and that's it. So guys, that's the end of the drill. You saw how I do the drill and what I look for and how quickly I enter and exit trades. So I'm gonna pull up the profits that we made. I mean, the profits, it's not really an important thing. I mean, this drill is not about the profits. This drill is just about you learning how to, you know, just how to place a trade, how to trust your strategy and what to look out for. So these are the profits, as you can see. We can see we had one loss right here on at the start, and then we won 3 trades. Then we took a 25 loss, which should have been a 12.50 loss, but it's okay. And then we just won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in a row. So it was mostly just 1 trade per minute. We can see that we are literally in trades here. We were literally in a trade for like 0 seconds. Like it's literally quick enter, quick loss, quick enter, quick, you know, quick exit. We can see here 4 seconds, 1 second, 1 second. So it's a nice drill to do, you know. It's a good drill and you can learn very fast from it. And as I said, it's not really important if you win and lose. It's important that you stack up those trades, you stack up those days where you do this drill and you get better and better. And then you know what to look out for when you're trading, you know, when you're fine-tuning your, you know, entry, when you are actually trading. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video and you made it till the end, I would appreciate a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one or tomorrow.